Best single door refrigerator. Number 5. Godrej 180 liter 4-star turbo cooling technology. 24 days farm freshness direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 14,290 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Capacity 180 liters. Suitable for a small family. Energy efficiency 4-star. Annual energy consumption 149 kWh. Jumbo vegetable tray. 10 years compressor warranty. 1 year comprehensive warranty. Number 4. LG 185 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 16,890 rupees. Capacity 185 liters. Suitable for families with 3 to 4 members and bachelors. Energy rating 5-star. Smart inverter compressor. Freezer capacity 16 liter. Fresh food capacity 169 liter. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 3. Haier 190 liter 4-star direct cool single door refrigerator. Appliance. Approx price 14,490 rupees. Capacity 190 liters. Suitable for families with 2-3 members or bachelors. Energy rating 4 stars. Freezer capacity 14 liter. Fresh food capacity 176 liter. 1 hour icing technology. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 2. Whirlpool 184 liter 3-star direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 12,790 rupees. Insulated capillary technology. Capacity 184 liters. For families with 2-3 members. 3-star energy efficiency. Stabilizer free operations. 1 year product warranty and 10 years compressor warranty. Number 1. Samsung 183 liter 2-star digital inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 13,790 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Capacity 183 liters. Suitable for families with 2-3 members. 2-star energy efficiency. Digital inverter compressor. 1 year comprehensive warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.